It all started when our Guju grandfather married our Goan grandmother around 60 years ago.
Not only did they break the shackles of a rather conservative society,
But they also broke all the shackles when it came to food.
from prawn curry rice,
To Undiyu Puri.
this is our food journey.
Hi, this is Aman.
This is Alok.
And we are the Goan Gujus. Hello guys, welcome to episode 5 of the Goan Gujus. I'm Aman. And in case you didn't recognize, this is Alok with his new look. The beard's gone.
It's gone.
Why did you shave, bro?
It was getting too hot,
Or did Dimple ask you to shave?
and my wife forced me to.
That is the truth always. It wasn't getting hot, the wife asked him to shave, that is why he shaved.
Yes.
That is the truth. Okay bro, what are we having today?
So, maru kya?
Please.
Ke kapu. We've got Maru's bhajia
Okay.
and kap.
Okay.
So, Maru bhajia is basically East African Gujarati dish.
There is a huge Gujarati community in East Africa, in Kenya and all those countries. And the Gujarati community settled over there have kind of invented this dish. It's more or less similar to the normal batidana bhajia that we make at
Yes.
home. But what is the difference that I want you to tell our viewers?
Firstly, the potato is cut really thin.
Okay.
Normal batata bhajia does not have any chili, garlic and anything in it.
So the batter
It's
is
just
a plain
besan.
batter.
Besan.
Okay.
And this has got more than 2 suns in it.
I don't think any of y'all even kind of, got the joke that he was trying to crack, but ठीक है यार, चलो.
So this has got garlic, a bit of ginger, chili, and it's got carom seeds, coriander in it, and some lime juice.
So it's basically your normal
Masala.
banana bhajia elevated.
Elevated, yeah.
Like much more flavorful than
Yes.
what you would get.
Yes.
Okay.
And the batter is not completely coated.
Okay.
So this is a better version of it. It's crispier. And it's had with this special chutney,
Okay.
which is a tomato
DOB
chutney. This is the
like a-
chutney that is served in Nairobi
Okay.
with the Maru bhajia.
Okay. I think if I'm not wrong, Kiran uncle was the one who introduced us to Maru.
Yes,
Right? At
yes.
home.
Our dad's friend who is from Nairobi, he used to make this for us.
People who live in Bombay would know that in the last week or so it's been raining pretty heavily, and there is no better food than nice deep fried fritters, if I may.
And this is actually very popular in the UK as well,
Okay.
because it's very similar to a French fries.
These are everywhere.
Yeah,
So,
and
of course,
the person who started Maru bhajia moved from Kenya
Okay.
to UK in Wembley, and he started a shop over there as well. So
Okay.
it's a
So it is giving competition to fish and chips over there.
to French fries.
To French fries.
Yeah.
So the vegetarians go for the Maru bhajia and the non-vegetarians go for the fish and chips.
Yes. So do you know where the first French fries was made?
I think if I'm not, it's not in France, that I'm sure.
It's made in Greece. ग्रीस में तलते हैं इसलिए.
Primarily, we are a vegetarian household, so we don't have non-veg every day. So whenever I have a craving, and it's one of the days when I'm not supposed to eat non-veg, I think kap is the go-to dish for me. The reason being the batter that is used to marinate the potato or to coat the potato is extremely similar to the batter that we use to coat the fish when we make fried fish. So I think whenever there is a craving and there's no non-veg available at home, kap is the way to go. And now how the batter is made, all of that I will tell.
So it's kap is again thinly sliced vegetable. It can be potato. It can be nirfanas, which is a type of a jackfruit.
Oh, that is, I think we couldn't find the jackfruit. We would have had that in the episode also. But the jackfruit version of the kap is, I
It's
think,
the best one. And you also have it with eggplant, brinjal. So you thinly slice it, वांग्याची कापं, बटाटाची कापं, and निरफणसाची कापं. These are the three
So
cups.
these three are like typically Konkani
Yes,
dishes.
very
right? Like
Konkani
Goan,
dishes.
Goan.
And it's your haldi, lal mirch, and it is coated in rava. Traditionally, it's just a basic
And
coating
how do
to
we
it.
make it at home?
We also make it that way only.
Okay, so there is no garlic, nothing inside.
No, sometimes we put a bit of tamarind paste, and this is shallow fried.
Yeah, but they are so flavorful, the
Yeah.
carb, no? I mean, I never knew that it's only like 3 ingredients literally. What do you think?
I think I'm hungry now.
Chalo, to we
Yes.
eat. So,
So you
this
can
is the carb. You can see how it is, how it looks. And in comparison to that, this is the Maru Bhajia. Cheers, bro.
cheers. मजा आ गया.
Fantastic. I think what you said was true. It just brings in so much of flavor to a normal
Yes.
Batidana Bhajia, no?
It's elevated to 10 times what
Yeah,
the flavor
I mean, you can
is.
taste the chili, you can taste the ginger garlic, you can taste the coriander in it.
Yes, and it's nice and crispy.
Nice, crispy.
I think the trouble with this is the moment you start eating it,
You can't stop.
it's very difficult to stop.
Be it the Maru Bhajia or the Kaap, both of them will be very interesting if you have them like bhaji pav that you get in Bombay, right?
Oh yes.
I mean, we've never had it, like even we haven't had it in that way.
Yeah, it will be a great.
You know, where you put the lasun ka powder and the meetha chutney, tikka
In a
chutney
pav.
in a pav.
Yeah.
I think it
This
will
will
be damn
work.
good. Yeah, I mean, it's so nice. Like Alok said, I'm not able to stop, but we have to get to the carp now.
There was a group of monks who started making potato chips in a monastery. Know what are they called? Chipmunks.
Time for the carp.
Yes. Not with the
Not-
chutney.
not with the chutney,
Not
first you'll
with
have
the
it.
chutney. Just plain only. This is supposed to be had plain.
Cheers for the carp again. The way we've shown the prawn curry recipe, which was a recipe that has been passed down from our Dadi's side, which is the Goan side of our family. Even this is something that has been passed down to us from our Dadi's side.
Carp is very common to, when you go to anybody's house in Goa,
When you go to anybody's house.
but not in any restaurant.
But in Chaitanya, if you go next time, just have a look at the menu. Chaitanya serves carp,
Okay, potato.
potato carp.
Okay, interesting. And I think you all should make this at home and tell us how it is.
Yeah, we'll put down the recipe in the description. Try it at home. Let us know how you guys like it. Yeah, I think we are more or less done.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for tuning in to the Goan Good Juice. I hope you liked the episode. I would really request, like on behalf of Alok and me, we would really request you guys to try this recipe at home. The weather is fantastic. It's been raining, and you know, believe me when I say it, you guys won't regret when you make these bhajiyas on a nice rainy day. Pair it with some beer, some chutney, some dal rice, you know, whatever you want to pair it with.
Thodi garam chai.
Chai, you know, whatever it is. Put it in between a pav and have it however you want to, you know, however, whatever kind of sails your boat. Sails your boat? Rocks your
Floats your boat.
boat? Floats your boat.
And keep your eyes on the fries.
Okay, so that is it from us. We will see you guys next week. Keep eating.
Jai Mata Di. Let's rock.
हो गया. Cut, चलो, done. आज का episode.
कुछ और बोलना है कि मैं कट करूँ
Cut.